Phakathi ecourt mfowethu se-Pretoria High Court.
Kwakusuguqe phansi kuzamakhosi. Namhlanje namhlanje.
Bengameli, ya. Ya sibingelele mongameli. Lelisa nje amazwi uqhawela kithi konakele sekusile. Ya.
Asibheke khona enkantolo ngoba bona lokusiqonde ngqo kwi-embassy yase Somalia.
Ya.
Ukudelela izwe laseNingizimu Afrika nokubeka inkosi yabo engekho emthethweni. Baphinde futhi basebenzise nelogo yethu ukuthi bayifake lapha na bese besabisa ukuthi bona bafuna ukudlalela izwe ngenkani. Asenalo izwe ma South Africans amahle izwe ngalisekho inhlobo. Uhulumeni udedelile kubantu bangaphandle abangakho emthethweni. Uhulumeni udedelile ngokomnotho. Asisena lutho thina emphakathi sisukumeleni silwele izwe lethu silungise izwe lethu.
Yeah, all right.
Utshani bokufulela buka bungakanani la abantu bakhona bafundile. thina ngapha siyakuhluphekela. Sanibona wey'ngane zakwethu, ngizoba mfishane nje. Bafethu. Mina ngazi bafethu ukuthi abantu bakithi why mase befundile bethande ukudlala ngabantu bakubo ngalolu hlobo. Ngazi ukuthi yini le ukuthi umuntu wakithi manje efundile yena abone ukuthi imfundo yakhe ngeyokudlala ngemiqondo yabantu. ESouth Africa isikhathi sepolitiki siyaphela, kuzoba nepolitiki esiza abantu. Isikhathi sabaholi abahambe bekhukhumala ubala siyaphela, kuzoba nabaholi abaqondayo ukuthi bayizithunywa zabantu. And leyo sizoyenza izokwenzeka. Sesisithi isikhathi abantu babekezeleliwe, abaholi babekezeleliwe, bekhukhumela abaholi, benza izinto wrong, benza izinto engamaphutha, bephinde besigcwalisele ukuthi bona ngeke sibenze lutho. Asizukuncenga muntu manje, asizubona lutho kodwa sizokuncenga umuntu. Yabona lento kaMbuyiseni Dlozi, okokuqala nje uMbuyiseni Dlozi have been in power for more than 10 years. uMbuyiseni Dlozi wangena kupolitiki indaba yabantu bokufika ivele isiyinkinga. Wangena ebuholini obuphezulu ezweni indaba yabantu bokufika ivele iyinkinga. Ayikho into akayenza. Mina ngicela ningikhombise into eyodwa uMbuyiseni Dlozi ngaphandle kwama benefits awathola eParliament. Ningikhombise into eyodwa akayenza. Eyodwa nje eyenziwa uMbuyiseni Dlozi ngaphandle kokuthi babemelene noBaba uZuma nje bethukana noBaba uZuma eParliament kwaze kwayovala. Manje ngoba useyi-political reject, usecabanga ukuthi angacontrol i-narrative yase South Africa. Why umuntu one-PhD acabange kancane kanje? Why umuntu okuthiwa ufundile acabange kancane kanje? Indaba yabantu bokufika angeke ukwazi ukuyibona uma uhleli eLokhozi, uhleli eSandton, uhleli on your ukhuluma from the privilege perspective and privilege situation. Abantu bokufika bayinkinga kulelizwe, bayinkinga ey'ntweni zabantu, bayinkinga emabhizinisini abantu, bayinkinga ekuhlaleni, bayinkinga esikweni. Isiko lizokonakala, isiko, amasiko ethu nemikhuba yethu nezinto zethu zizokonakala ngenxa yalaba abantu, ngoba lezi ingane ezizalwa ngamaSomali ziwazala einganeni zakwaZulu. Ngelinye ilanga leyo ngane yokhula mhlawumbe ikhulele esigodini esishoda ngabantu, igcine leyo ngane ibekwa iba induna, igcine leyo ngane ibekwa ibe yikhansela. Asikwazi ukuba nento enjalo thina amaZulu, njengoba nisibona sikwazile ukuhlala isikhathi eside kangaka, sihlela sihlelekile, siyisizwe. Ingoba enye izinto esiyiqaphela kakhulu amasiko ethu nemikhuba yethu nokugcina okungokwethu kubalekile sikugcine kukuthini. Abanye bafunde kakhulu bathi hayi indaba yesiko isidala nani. That's why endaweni zenu men can't even stand up and fight for your own provinces. And we promised ukuthi we will help everyone. Noma abanye beyikhulumela ukuthanda kwabo, but we know ukuthi kukhona abantu abahlupheke ngempela kulezo ndawo abadinga usizo. Mina angi-understand bafowethu ukuthi angi-understand ukuthi umuntu ofundile, okuthi ufundile, uhlale ngobuza lo mbuzo ukuthi bafundelani laba bantu, bafundelani laba bantu, yini abayifundelayo. babulele ingqondo zabantu namanje njengoba ngikhuluma la live khona abakhuluma okunye ingqondo ifile zifile dead they can't even think yabo people can't even listen to make sense of out of into show umuntu they can't listen people were killed they were brainwashed imqondo ayikho imqondo kubani ngisho ungakhuluma into enomqondo people can't even hear because the politics has brainwashed people. The first thing people want to do is to defend a leader. That's the first thing. It doesn't matter whether he makes sense or he doesn't make sense, whether the person is poor or not poor, or they are working or not working. The first thing they want to do is to defend a leader. Ekhuluma umpeto. Tina, we will win this one. We will win this one. You must know, Uguti, your leaders can try your best. We know, Uguti, they have businesses. With the taxpayers' money that they were getting from Parliament, they went and established businesses, Kulamazu, and that's why they are forced by those governments to defend illegal immigrants and thugs and criminals that are killing our people and kids. Undlozi unazo ningane. Unazo ingane undlozi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Namhla uvela lapha enkantolo ungizwe Mchunu ePitori ngemva kokuthi asole uMalema ngokuthi uMalema ureceive 60 million from Nigeria ukuthi protect le nkulumo wayenda akhuluma ko interview leyasabalala etinkundleni tokuxhumana wamvulela liqala uMalema namuhla uyavela ungizwe Mchunu lapha enkantolo ePitori. Bantu abaningi baphumile especially people from KZN batomsupporta ungizwe Mchunu baningi kakhulu bantu abaphumile kufaka phakathi bophakela umthakathi. They are all there kusupporta ungizwe Mchunu bathi uMalema uyathelela ngeke bona baze beve ngaMalema. Uthe Justin Tamakatshela ungizwe Mchunu ukuthi akacolise kuMalema so that batokona focusa endzabeni abantu bokufika la South Africa ngalo ngeke emthethweni wathi soze uwaqolise kuMalema wathi nje yena into yokuqolisa kuMalema into la ngeke asayende. Sibonile mfatwa angizwe Mchunu wesibili ukhona naye lapha enkantolo lokutosekela ungizwe Mchunu baningi kakhulu bantu abaphumile batomsupporta ungizwe. Namuhla siyobona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi lihamba njani leliyaqala kukhulunywe njani lapha enkantolo. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.